In this video, I will show you how to send animated sticker on WhatsApp. Firstly, you need to open up a chat selection with someone on your WhatsApp selection. Then, if you want to take over and send an animated sticker on your selection, what is the most important one right here? It is by getting up on the right session, which is right here. Firstly, you need to tap on that left wing selection, which is to get that sticker side, and right from here, as you can see right down, you have three different options. You need to tap on the third one, which is right here, and from here you can simply see which sticker it is on your favorite and then send it, like for example this one, or simply you need to go for, I don't know, maybe that one here. It doesn't matter, just needs to take off your interest. And now, as you can see, we have sent animated sticker on WhatsApp.